Hi, guys. It is December 8th. I want to go over the activity that we are going to do today. Okay. We are going to do, it's called a Whodunnit. It's a skill builder and it's on physical and chemical properties. And before I say any more, yes, you may use the notes from yesterday so that we make sure that we all have it correct. Okay, so as you can see, it is a PowerPoint layout. Do not press present. I want you guys to leave it looking just like this. Okay? Okay, second slide tells you exactly what you're going to do. Basically, what you're going to do is using the clues, and there's 10 clues, you have to figure out who done it. You have to find out the crime before the end of the class period. There's a mission to find facts. In other words, there's clues that you have to crack. Each correct answer rules out a player, last known whereabouts, and how they committed the crime. And then after you collect all 10 clues, there's only one possibility remaining, and this reveals the crime. Now, this says write a sentence that includes the criminal location of the crime and method used. I'd like you guys to do a short paragraph, maybe 4 or 5 sentences, being able to do it. Okay, so here's what you do. This right here is where you are going to eliminate your suspects. So all you have to do is if, let's say, Professor Astro is eliminated, you just have to put an X in there. If the kitchen is eliminated, you put an X there. Okay? That means that they are no longer an option of who did the crime. Okay? And I'm going to delete those. So you guys are going to have to come back to this slide all the time. Okay, because this is going to help you keep track of the person, where they are, and how they committed the crime. It's kind of like the board game Clue. Okay, so there are these clues. There's 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so you're going to read the answer. You're going to read the question. What is a physical property? This is why I told you guys it would be a good idea for you to use your notes. So let's say it's a substance's ability to change. See this? And it says stretch the yellow highlight box over the answer. So you're going to pick up this box and put it where it belongs, and then highlight the one that you've chosen. Okay, so this says substance ability to change. That means that the victim was not attacked by a cougar. You're going to go back up to this and cougar attack. Nope, was not attacked. Okay, then you're going to go to clue number 2. And let's say it's this one. So this yellow box right here, this is going to tell you how you're going to do it. Now, you may want to do all of the clues first. And then once you get down to clue number 10, let's say it's right here, then you can go back up to this box, and then all you have to do is, okay, victim was not attacked by a cougar. Got it. This one, victim's toe was not stubbed. Stubbed toe. Boom. Go to the next one. Let's say it's Dr. Earth was waiting in the pool. So you go up here. Dr. Earth, he was in the pool. Okay? And you just kind of go through there until you end up with one last answer. The very last slide is where you're going to write that paragraph, and you can just type right in it. Okay. I think that the person who committed the crime is Miss Moore in the library using her favorite book, however you want, whatever it is. Okay, so here's how you end it. Now, as you can see, I just picked some random stuff. Okay. I did not really pick any correct answers. This is why I want you guys to use your notes. We took pretty detailed notes yesterday on what is a physical and chemical property. Okay? So when you get done with that, you will have a whodunnit. And if you want to, you can share out with your person that you're sitting next to. Hey, what did you get? How do you know? Have a conversation. This is going to be worth 15 points. Okay, when you are done with that, we are going to have another worksheet that looks like this. And you're going to have to read it. And if this is a physical property, you are going to type in physical property. Okay? All the way through here, there are 22. The second page, you have to pick any one of these that was a physical property. So let's say I labeled number 18 as a personal property because, well, what was the reason that you did this? And then I also think it's a physical property because, okay, you are justifying your answer. Okay, there has to be two reasons because one reason, two reasons. Then down here, you're going to choose whatever one it was that you picked as a chemical property. And you do the same thing. You are justifying your answers. If you do not get done with this second page today, don't worry about it. On Wednesday, we are going to correct the whodunit, and I will give you guys time to work on this. Before I sign off, I do want you guys to know this next Thursday is the absolute last day that you may turn in work for the semester. Okay, you already gotten your first quarter report card. So the second quarter, you have got to get the stuff in. Okay, that is your last date. So today you're going to be doing your whodunit, who's the criminal, and then you're going to work on the other worksheet. If you